Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and we wanted to share with you really quick this process of replacing the ear pads on my son's Beats headphones. We're going to try this out. This was a really inexpensive solution to the fact that, as you can see, his ear pads are really worn out. So we're going to give this a try. Hopefully it works, and if it does, we're going to post this video and share it with you because I'm pretty excited about the fact that we were able to hopefully get this done really cheap. So this kit actually comes with two ear pads. They had some color choices. He went with red. It also comes with a little tool to help you pry your original ear pads off, and then a wipe because we're going to need to take the old adhesive off. So, okay, son, you want to go ahead and see how this goes? According to the directions, you just kind of get in there and pop these off. And it does come with this little tool to help do that. Nice, okay. So let's take a look at that and see what that looks like. Okay, so now we're gonna wanna use these wipes to, came with these cleaning wipes, and we're gonna wanna use those to get in there and clean off the adhesive that's left from the other one. Okay, so we've gotten most of the adhesive off, and now we're gonna go ahead and put the ear pad on. Do you want to turn that over? I wanted to mention one thing about these. When you do it, you're going to want to make sure one side will have a notch where your charger goes. So you're going to want to make sure to get the right ear pad for the right side when you do that. And do you want to go ahead and peel that sticker off? And be careful when you do that to not remove the adhesive, because you can actually lift both sides up. And I'm going to show you right here. There are little notches that you're going to line up with the notches in these ear pads. Okay. Wow, those go on really nice. That looks really good.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get the other side done, and we'll come back and take a look. Okay, so there is the finished product. Really happy with that. And I wanted to mention, these were around $10. So that is a really quick and easy fix. And they feel super soft. Process was really easy. I was a little bit worried, but I'm glad that we did that and that we could share it with you. I will leave links as to where you can purchase these yourself, and I think he kind of feels like he has a new pair of Beats. They look really sharp. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.